Hey guys, it's Dave here from Creative Path Films, and we're back again today having a look at one of my favorite battery banks, the Omni Ultimate. And today I'm going to walk you through how to swap out the replaceable battery. One of the big benefits of the Omni Ultimate as a power bank is you can purchase additional spare batteries and you can swap those out for continued usage if you don't have access to a charger. Now, before we start, you'll want to make sure that your spare battery is fully charged. And in order to do that, you're going to need two things. You're going to need the included AC charger that comes with your Omni Ultimate. And you're also going to need this additional charging cable, which goes from a DC input to your MR30 connector. And this comes with the spare battery. What you do is you simply take this adapter, plug it into the DC barrel, and then you connect the MR30 to the port on the back of the spare battery. And now that is charging. Okay, now you've got a fully charged spare battery. Let's have a look at how to switch these out. All right, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to lift up and peel back the rubber protective coating. Now, I'm not going to fully remove this because I suspect that it's going to be quite difficult to get back on. And then you want to grab a small screwdriver and you just want to remove each of the 3 screws on each side. So let's get started. And make sure not to lose these because you won't find them if they disappear. Okay, so now that we've done all 3 screws on this side, now let's switch the battery over and do the same again on the other side. Peel back the rubber and remove the 3 screws. All right, now that all 6 screws have been removed, we'll want to peel away the rubber from around the back and we can simply slide out the spare battery. So let's lift that up, like so. It can be a little bit tough, and then that simply slides out. And then what you do is you simply take your spare battery and slide that into place. And you may have to lift up the rubber just so it doesn't get in the way. And once you've done that, you simply replace each of the 6 screws and you're good to go. So there you have it, guys. That is my fast and simple video on how to replace the spare battery for the Omni Ultimate. If you learned something today, make sure to let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about the Omnicharge series of batteries, check out the playlist up here as well as down in the description. Any questions, as always, let me know down in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.